Okay, the chair's glued up, now we've taken the clamps off, and now it's time to put these back in. Now first of all, I'm going to just select some nails to help pin this in place, and putting it in position there. It's important to make sure the nail isn't going to come all the way through the chair and stick through from the outside. So I'm just checking the length of it. And then I'm using the nails to make a little mark where I want to make the hole for it. I'm going to drill a little pilot hole for the nail to stop the wood splitting. I'm just checking the diameter of the drill to suit the nail. And I'm going to drill into the mark I've made with the nail a minute ago. I'm using a hand drill here because it's a bit more gentle on the wood, and you actually get better control than you would if you used a more powerful power drill. And this hole will just let the nail go through and prevent it pushing the wood apart and splitting it, especially as this is quite old and brittle wood. This is the pilot hole for the second nail. Now we're just getting the glue ready, and remembering with the wood glue it's best to put the wood on both faces of the joint. So first of all on the diagonal brace itself, a decent coating of glue on. And then we're going to put glue into the grooves that it's going to fit into. Again, you can be reasonably generous. If you remember from earlier on, there was quite a lot of glue there, but we wiped it off with a damp cloth. I'll just get that nice and snug and get it in there as tightly as you can into that corner, because then it's going to do its job better if it's actually pressed up against the frame. And laying the chair down on the bench to give it a bit of purchase, just putting the nails in through the holes we've drilled. And finally, knocking those dowels in. I'm using a block of wood here to protect the frame of the chair a bit and the wooden mallet on top of that. You could use an ordinary hammer on top if you didn't have a mallet, as long as you protect the chair itself with a piece of waste wood. And just keep checking it, make sure it's all okay. Have the chair well supported for this. Then for the last bit, I'm just turning the wooden block so that the end of the grain bears down onto the dowel, and it's just a little bit stronger, and it makes it easier to get that final bit of power into it.